What's up, y'all? My name's Kevin, and you're watching Sharp Finds. I'm out here on the creek today. I have found color before on this creek. I'm hoping today we can find some coarser gold. Just out here to have some fun, learn a little bit, and hopefully you guys can take something away from this video as well. All right, let me show you what we're getting into today. Nice quartz laying up on the bank there. So you can see there's some lot finer material here. And here, it starts to get pretty coarse. I'm gonna dig right here in this spot. I might end up flipping this rock here, but let's just see if we can find some color. All right, so so here we go. Oh, that's heavy. It's like some quartz and mica schist. I just like to show what kind of stones we're seeing here. Got some buggy quartz. Those little divots, that's where minerals have oxidized out of the stone. And that's a big tell. So when you see these in the creek, it might be a spot to slow down and start doing some test pans. No gold on that one. It's pretty much on bedrock here, or big cobbles. Let's show you all this gold. All right. Not a picker, but still a nice little flake of gold. Got 1, 2, 3. And I'm happy with that. Honestly, after the first pan, I wasn't expecting to find anything, so this is cool. That big rock right there, I'm gonna flip it, and we're gonna continue panning. Woo! All right, let's keep panning. Classify this, and then I'm gonna get some more material. I even find nails when I'm gold panning, man. Alright, I think that one's full. Ooh. Yeah, I'm gonna cut this video short, guys. I'm gonna come back another day. Thunderstorm's coming. All right, guys, unfortunately we got rained out at the creek. I did manage to bring the material home with me, so we're gonna pan it out real quick, see if we can find anything. If not, that's still cool. All right, here's the material, guys. Got my Garrett Gold Trap here. Don't want to spend too much time on this. We're gonna make it work. I'm gonna add more material on top. All right, so look here. Got one color. And that was just in a little divot in the bedrock. Guys, that's why sometimes you gotta flip those big rocks. You don't know what's under them. So there it is. That's from our first two pans. Got 3 colors in there. Of course I prefer to pan at the creek, but gotta do what you gotta do, man. Right there's a little micro spit. If you're new to gold panning, just remember when you're stratifying like this, tilt it down like this, slightly angled. Shake it side to side and keep shaking just till it starts to spill over. Then pan it off a couple times. Alright, this one's should definitely have some gold if the first one did. See it? Oh, big, small, I like it all. So I'm just gonna reveal everything we found today. All right, so there it is. 1, 2, 3 nice flakes. And because it's low light, it's hard to see the other ones. There's another color for the pan right there. But there's our nicest pieces from today. And anybody can go out and find gold like this if you're in a gold district or gold bearing streams. I appreciate y'all tuning in and watching my crazy video today. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and look out for my new videos coming up. And thanks for watching, y'all. God bless.